Raicilla is an agave alcohol from Jalisco, Mexico. It's not as well known as tequila or mezcal, but it's the latest smoky spirit to make its way into the commercial marketplace. Jaunt TV partakes in a Raicilla tasting with Chef Guillermo Wolf, the owner of La Lulu Raicilla in Puerto Vallarta, one of only 2 Raicilla bars in the world.
The way I explain it is the cousin or the mother of mezcal and tequila.
The difference is that tequila is made only from the blue agave plant in 7 designated states in Mexico. Mezcal can be made from about 30 kinds of agave and delivers a smoky flavor. It's from 5 kinds of agave in regions only in Jalisco. It too has a smoky flavor due to its unique artisanal preparation. Raicilla uses an ancient distilling process taken from Asian influences. The pineapple or core of the agave is cooked in a dirt pit in the ground. It's then chopped and fermented. Raicilla is strong. It's 45% alcohol, where tequila is 36 to 38. Beware, this is a drink for sipping, not for shots. There are a few suggestions for luscious cocktails that La Lulu prepares. One uses the pulp, cinnamon and syrup, and a flavored fresh passion fruit raicilla. Chili around the rim and garnish with basil and an orange slice. Another one includes mixing white raicilla with cranberry pulp with no seeds and agave. This is garnished with both lemon and lime. Salud!